students, let us complete this particular topic. We have already been studying that there is a constant magnetic field and the force and velocity factors are there, and there is a force given by QVB where sin theta sin 90 degrees equals to 1. So we have here considered that particular force, which is a constant force or the magnetic field produced in this particular circle is perpendicular to the magnetic force itself, and in this particular magnetic field, magnetic force is the centripetal force acting on this particular motion of the circle, and the magnetic field is V is perpendicular to the the velocity is perpendicular to the magnetic field itself, and force is given by this particular value, and the force and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. So here in a charged particle has a velocity not perpendicular to B. Okay, so velocity is not perpendicular to B itself, then the component of the velocity along B remains unchanged as a motion along the magnetic field will not be affected by the magnetic field. Then the motion of the particle in a plane perpendicular to B is as before a circular one, and hereby producing a helical motion. So there will be a continuous movement in this particular path, and this will be given by the helical motion itself. As a centripetal force is acting between this circular force provided by the magnetic field, so we have mv square perpendicular upon r will be qvb perpendicular, or r will be equal to mv perpendicular upon qb, that is equals to p upon qb. First equation we are taking, where v perpendicular and v parallel are the components of the parallel and the perpendicular components of v itself, and hence the radius of the path of the charged particle is proportional to the momentum of the particle, and directly inversely proportional to the it will be inversely, I think so, inversely proportional to the magnetic of the charge q and the magnetic field B in terms of the kinetic energy K, and the equation may be given by R is equal to root over of 2 mk upon qb, where P is equals to root over of 2 mk. Now the time period of the motion is given by, as you know, that T is equals to 2 pi R upon V. So 2 pi upon V and m into V into Q into V, when T will be equal to 2 pi m upon qb. This is second equation. The triangular frequency will be omega is equals to 2 pi upon R upon T, that is equal to qb upon m. Then the frequency V will be equal to bq upon 2 pi m, where omega is equals to 2 pi v itself. The angular speed omega of the particle of the given by omega is equals to v upon r, where omega is equals to v is, we know that bpq and this particular upon m it will be, and this helical path, the distance moving along the magnetic field is in one rotation is called the P parallel. P is equals to P parallel T, that is 2P m upon QB m parallel. Now it is a very important thing to note down that 1 Tesla is defined as the magnetic field as a field which produces a force of 1 Newton 1 N when a charge of a coulomb 1 coulomb moves perpendicular to the region of the magnetic field at a velocity of 1 meter per second. So 1 Tesla is defined as a field which will produce a force of 1 Newton in a charge of 1 coulomb, moves in the certain region, and the magnetic field at the velocity of 1 meter per second. So this is how this particular topic is being told to you, and in this particular field here radius of the path of the charged particle is proportional to the magnetic momentum of the particle, and inversely proportional to the magnetic field to the magnetic of charge. It is inversely proportional, should be there. It will be inversely proportional proportional to the magnetic field of the charge and the magnetic field B itself. So it is R is inversely proportional to it, and thus the time period T of the motion is given by T is equals to this particular value, and as you know that this is a helical motion. How it has been done, I have already already sorted it out in the blackboard itself. I hope this particular topic is very important and you have already listened and prepared it well, very well. And as your exams are going to be conducted in the month of November itself, half yearly exams, so study well. And if you have any doubt concerned with this particular topics or the other topics which you have already studied, which we have already studied in the videos, in the previous videos, you can consult me. As in the month of November all the courses has to be finished, so try to focus on more on the physics topics because lots of the syllabus is being left out here. So only few topics will be given to you now onwards in this particular videos, as I will talk to you about this particular thing, this syllabus completion in the WhatsApp group. I will tell each and everything in the WhatsApp group, how to proceed and how to get the things done. Please go through the practical sessions, prepare your practical file well. Thank you, students.